Hello everyone, this is Professor Ron, and I want to welcome you to my Udemy course, How to Market Your Website on the Internet. So let me guess, you recently created your own website, or you're in the midst of creating a website, and in doing so you've realized that you need to figure out a way to get people to visit your website and to gain website traffic. Well, let me be the first to say that your head's in the right spot. Obviously, in order for a website to succeed, it needs to have traffic. And while there are a lot of courses out there that will teach you different tactics and strategies to get traffic to your website, a lot of them don't explain the foundational basics of what internet marketing is at its core. And that's what this course is all about. Although I touch on some different tactics and strategies that you can use for marketing your website, the real core of this course is helping you understand the foundation of internet marketing and the different tactics that you can use to market your website in the future. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the content.